For the next few videos, we will be talking about seismic analysis. Earthquakes are harmful loads that can cause significant damage to structures. Different design codes require a dynamic analysis for the structures to properly consider the effect of earthquakes. In ELS, earthquake loads are simulated by applying its seismic acceleration time history in the X, Y, and Z directions. To simulate the earthquake's load in ELS, the user can import text files with earthquake accelerations or use the function generator to simulate the earthquake's acceleration in different directions. To start, use a navigation tool to show the structure in 3D view. To add an earthquake, let's open the loading scenario dialog and create a new dynamic earthquake loading stage. Go ahead and assign the duration, time step, step division, and output steps, and press apply. Open the loads link and uncheck the boxes for Y and Z directions so we can import data from the X direction only. It is also an option in ELS to scale the record data while import, so I'll adjust the multiplication factor to 0.5. Then press on Import Data to import the earthquake data. Navigate to your text file and click OK. If you want to double check what you imported, you can show the imported earthquake data by pressing Plot Data. Now let's add new earthquake data for the Y direction. Go ahead and uncheck the X direction and check the Y direction. Then press on Import Data and select your text file, the same way we did for the X direction. Again, to show the imported earthquake data, press Plot Data. Now return to the loading scenario and select stage 1. Then open its output sets so we can add eigenmode data to ensure that the frequency of any applied periodic loading will not coincide with the model frequency. In this new feature, users are able to change the value of the eigenmode number for each stage. To do that, select the eigenmode, then add the desired eigenmode number. Next, select stage 2 and repeat the process. Once you've done that, let's run the ELS solver. Now that the solver is running, we can open the Extreme Loading Viewer to view the results ahead of time, even though the analysis isn't complete yet. In the ELS viewer, we'll start by changing the displacement scale factor to magnify the displacement so that we can see what is happening to our model. Then press on play to play the clip and we can easily see the earthquake load effects. Let's go ahead and look at the different eigenmodes. From the Tools menu, select New Eigen Window to show all the eigenmodes. From the Tools menu, select New Eigen Window to show all the eigenmodes. Go ahead and change the animation factor to scale the displacement while animating. Then press play to show the animation of the structure. If you click on any cell of any mode, it will show different animations for each of those modes. You can also change the chart data shown in the x-axis and in the y-axis. Then click any mode. The chart data will be updated with the new animation of the structure for that particular mode. Earthquakes have a significant and dynamic effect on structures that simple pushover analysis does not consider. The ability to quickly simulate an earthquake's seismic time history acceleration record on a 3D structural mode is beneficial to the user. ELS provides an efficient way to run a dynamic analysis on virtually any structure and accurately simulate an earthquake's seismic activity. For more information, visit us at extremeloading.com.